In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. If you want your tasks and conversations to stay in sync, this quick setup will help you connect ClickUp to Microsoft Teams so updates flow smoothly and your team stays aligned. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct ClickUp workspace and that you have permission to install apps. If your organization restricts integrations, you may need an admin to approve it. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview of your team space within your workspace. This is a great place to begin because it ensures you're acting in the right context for your team. If you work across multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where you actually want the Teams integration enabled. Next, look to the left sidebar. At the bottom, you'll see a grid of 9 dots, sometimes labeled More. Click that icon to open the expanded menu. This menu is where ClickUp groups additional options and tools that aren't always front and center, including the app directory. From that menu, choose Apps. The Apps area is essentially ClickUp's marketplace, where you can discover, install, and manage integrations that extend ClickUp's functionality. It's also where you'll return later if you ever want to review or adjust your connections. In the Apps screen, use the search bar and type Teams. Keep it simple. Just the word Teams is enough. This filters the results so you don't have to scroll through unrelated integrations. When you see Microsoft Teams in the results, click it to open the integration page. This page provides a quick description of what the integration does and the permissions it needs. It's worth taking a moment to confirm you've selected the official Microsoft Teams integration so you know you're connecting the right tool. Now, click Connect. At this point, a new window may appear asking you to sign into your Microsoft account and approve permissions. Choose the correct account and tenant your organization uses for Teams. If your browser blocks the pop-up, allow it and try again. If you see an authorization or admin approval screen, that's normal. Follow the prompts or contact your admin if required. Once connected, you should see a confirmation in ClickUp indicating that the integration is active. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now linked to Microsoft Teams. From here, you can start taking advantage of the integration's capabilities like surfacing task updates in Teams and keeping discussions aligned with your work in ClickUp. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow.